WhatsApp Giphy sticker search feature rolls out for iOS users. WhatsApp has rolled out the Giphy sticker search feature for iOS users after testing it for a long time. Previously, the Meta-owned messaging platform partnered with Giphy to introduce a similar feature on its Android version. The platform is dominating the entire realm single-handedly by delivering exceptional updates and features to its users around the world. The feature was found in the WhatsApp iOS 24.17.78 version, revealing that the messaging platform is rolling out the Giphy sticker search feature to iPhone users. The Giphy sticker search feature will enable iPhone users to quickly explore innovative stickers during conversations, making it the best way to express themselves more accurately among friends, family, and other contacts. The platform is integrating Giphy's sticker library into its app, which would allow users to search Giphy and find perfect animated or realistic stickers to continue the fun in their chats. This update will allow iOS users to send stickers that aren't available within the app's personal sticker collection. Interestingly, users can also arrange their favorite stickers in the sticker section according to their preferences. Currently, the feature has been rolled out to all iPhone users. Users can install it via the App Store. However, make sure the app is running on the latest version to avail of this new addition.